Decluttering doesn't always require a titanic effort, and the best thing is that these simple habits can not only free up space, but also potentially save you money. In today's video, we're diving into 20 surprisingly lazy habits that can effortlessly keep your home organized and serene. So get ready to transform your space with ease, and maybe even fatten your wallet in the process. Number 1. One in, one out rule. This is your secret weapon against clutter. Every time you bring a new item into your home, make a pact to let go of another. It's a balancing act that prevents accumulation. It's useful to think of your home like a boat. Too much weight, and it starts to sink. When you buy a new shirt, donate an old one or pass it on to a family member. This practice not only keeps your wardrobe manageable, but also ensures mindful purchasing. Number 2. Digital receipts and manuals. Physical copies of receipts and manuals are often unnecessary clutter. Instead, opting for digital versions frees up space and reduces paper waste. Most stores offer e-receipts, and electronic manuals are available on manufacturers' websites. You can start by creating a dedicated folder on your computer or cloud storage for these documents. This simple switch not only declutters your space, but also makes finding important documents much easier. Number 3. No junk drawer. The junk drawer is often a home's black hole of clutter. Avoid this trap by eliminating the concept altogether. Instead, find a proper place for each item, however small. Use drawer dividers or small containers to organize these items. This approach forces you to be mindful of what you keep and ensures everything has a designated spot. It's a simple shift in mindset that can have a big impact on the overall tidiness of your space. Number 4. 5-minute nightly tidy up. Dedicate just 5 minutes each evening to tidying a specific area. This could be as simple as arranging the pillows on your sofa or clearing your bedside table. This habit prevents the buildup of clutter and makes larger cleaning tasks less daunting. It's like brushing your teeth, a short daily routine that maintains cleanliness and order. Over time, these minutes add up to a consistently well-kept home. Number 5. Use vertical space. Maximizing vertical space can really declutter floors and surfaces. It takes advantage of often underused areas like walls. Install shelves, hooks, or hanging baskets to store items off the ground, keeping your floors and surfaces clear. For example, hanging pots and pans in the kitchen can free up cabinet space. This approach not only creates more living space, but also makes cleaning easier and your items more accessible. Number 6. Container limits. Assigning a container for specific categories, like toys or magazines, is a smart way to keep clutter in check. The rule is simple. Once the container is full, you can't add more without removing something. This method naturally limits the number of items you can buy and keep. It's a practical visual reminder of how much you actually need and use. For instance, a single basket for magazines encourages you to recycle old issues regularly. Number 7. Weekly item audits. Did you know that a cluttered home can increase stress levels? The weekly item audit is your mini decluttering session. Each week, pick a small area, maybe a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. Go through it and remove items you haven't used recently. This habit prevents the gradual accumulation of stuff we often don't notice. To make it effective, set a recurring reminder. As you do this, you'll find that the space in your home breathes a little easier, just like you. Number 8. Clutter-Free Zones. Here's a simple yet powerful rule. Designate certain areas in your home as clutter-free zones. This could be your dining table, kitchen counters, or the living room coffee table. The rule is straightforward. Nothing that doesn't belong there stays there. This habit not only keeps these areas tidy, but also creates a sense of order and calm in your home. To implement this, start with one small area and gradually expand to others as you get comfortable with the routine. Number 9. Clean as you go. This is a habit you'll often see practiced by restaurants. Wash dishes immediately after use. Letting dishes pile up not only creates visual clutter, but also makes the task more daunting. By washing up right after eating, you keep your kitchen tidy and welcoming. It's a small step that maintains order and cleanliness in one of the most used spaces in your home. Plus, it's a lot easier to wash a few dishes than an entire day's worth. Number 10. Immediate mail processing. Mail can quickly become a mountain of paper clutter. Tackle this by processing your mail immediately. Open, read, and decide what to do with each piece of mail the moment you get it. Recycle junk mail, file important documents, and deal with bills right away. This habit not only keeps your surfaces clear, but also helps you manage your finances better. Better yet, opt for digital versions of bills and other correspondence. Number 11. Use technology for reminders. Technology can be a useful partner in your decluttering journey. Use your phone or computer to set reminders for regular decluttering tasks. It could be a reminder to do a quick 10-minute tidy-up every day, or to organize your digital files once a week. This helps in maintaining a routine and ensures that decluttering doesn't slip off your radar. Free apps like Google Calendar or Todoist can be perfect for setting these recurring reminders. Number 12. Donate or sell items regularly. Getting rid of old and unused items is a win-win. It not only helps declutter your home, but also either brings in income or instills a sense of satisfaction and well-being. Make it a habit to regularly review your belongings and set aside items you no longer use. You can do this monthly or quarterly, depending on your needs. To make it easy, keep a sale or donation box in a convenient location. Once it's full, list it on an online marketplace or take it to a local charity. You've cleared your living space without producing waste, which is always a great outcome. Number 13. Multipurpose items. Multipurpose items can be the unsung heroes in your quest for a clutter-free home. These ingenious inventions are all about versatility. Think about a sofa bed. By day, it's a comfy couch, and by night, it transforms into a cozy bed. This magic lies in their ability to serve more than one function, which means fewer items in your home. To start, look for furniture that doubles up in functionality, like ottomans with storage or a dining table that can be a work desk. Number 14. Transparent storage. Wouldn't it be nice to never have to rummage through a box again? That's the beauty of transparent storage. These clear containers are your best friends for maintaining order. They let you see exactly what's inside, saving time and preventing the out-of-sight, out-of-mind dilemma that often leads to duplicate purchases. Start small. Use clear bins for your pantry or craft supplies. It's a visual reminder of what you have and a great way to keep track, ensuring everything has its place. Number 15. Meal prep. Meal prepping isn't just a time saver, it's a space saver too. By preparing meals in advance, you use ingredients more efficiently, reducing the clutter of half-used packets and jars. Plan your meals in a way that uses overlapping ingredients and prepare them in batches. For example, chop vegetables for multiple meals at once, or cook a larger batch of a versatile base like rice or pasta. This habit not only keeps your fridge and pantry orderly, but also streamlines your cooking process, saving time and reducing stress. Number 16. Regular fridge cleanouts. A cluttered fridge isn't just an eyesore, it's a waste haven. Regular fridge cleanouts, ideally before your weekly grocery shop, can drastically cut down on waste and keep things organized. Take everything out, check expiration dates, and wipe down shelves. This habit not only gives you a clear idea of what you need to buy, but also prevents food from getting lost in the back, only to be discovered when it's too late. Number 17. Photograph sentimental items. Sentimental items can be the toughest to let go of. But here's a solution. Photograph them. By keeping digital memories, you can preserve the emotional value without the physical clutter. Take high-quality photos or create a digital scrapbook. This method is especially useful for bulky items like children's art projects or trophies. Remember, it's the memory that's precious, not necessarily the object itself. Number 18. Seasonal rotations. Seasonal rotations are all about adapting your space to your current needs. This habit involves keeping only the items relevant to the current season easily accessible. For example, store away your winter clothes during summer. Use underbed storage boxes or vacuum-sealed bags to keep off-season items compact and out of sight. This not only frees up space, but also makes choosing outfits or finding items a breeze since everything in sight is usable right now. Number 19. Borrow instead of buy. Before buying something you'll rarely use, consider borrowing it. This is especially true for items like power tools, party decorations, or special occasion outfits. Not only does this save money, but it also keeps your home free from items that take up space without providing regular value. Check with friends, family, or even community groups. It's a sustainable choice, both for your space and the environment. Number 20. Mindful shopping. Mindfulness is about being intentional with your purchases. Before buying, ask yourself 3 questions. Is it necessary? Where will it be stored? And does something else need to go to make room for it? This habit makes you think twice before adding more stuff to your home, ensuring that whatever comes in has a purpose and a place. It's a powerful tool to keep clutter at bay and make your home a haven of tranquility. Check out these videos next for more tips and tricks on saving money.